Ko toi tātou ki te mutunga o tō pōti 2025, i te mea e pānui whānui ana ko ngā hua pōti o ngā kaunihera huri noa i ngā rohe o Aukaha. Tūtaki mai kia Dale-Maree Morgan, ko ia te Māori anake ko pōtihia e ngā Māori ki te kaunihera ārohe o Waipā i tōna hitoria.
As many of us do in Māori roles and positions, we don't take things lying down, we just pivot, refocus, and we get ready for the next kaupapa, which will be the general election. So we have a lot of work to do with our people.
Te kaumātahi ngā kaunihera atu ia Morgan, ko te katoa o rātou, he Paakehaa. I roto i te pōtihere mo te wāri Māori, he nui te tautoko i te whakakore i te wāri a Morgan.
You know, really, this is Pākehā politics, and Pākehā politics has won on the day. Racist referendums will win on the day.
I guess initially sort of went through that grieving process where first I was quite upset or angry, and then second really quite sad. But I realised that, you know, now I'm in a position where I need to keep continuing to uplift a hapu a iwi of this area and the community as a whole.
Katoa whakaihuaka a tane o kete i te wāri Māori o Rangiatea. Koe nei te tehi o ngā whakataetai wāri Māori nui o te motu.
Because I know the ins and outs and everything of council, so that's my commitment to the Māori people of Ōtorohanga, that I'm going to work incredibly hard and say, hey, yeah, we deserve to be in there.
Ahakoa te tata o te pōtihere kia whakakore i te wāri Māori o Rangiatea, kia pupuru rānei, i te kau te whakamutunga ka pānuitia ai i te rānei, ka riro tonu ki te hunga e hihiana ki te whakakore i te wāri nei, e ko tahi mano e rimarau toru te kaumātahi, a ko te hunga e hihiana kia pupuru tonu i te wāri nei, ko te kotahi mano e whārau te kau.
I can see that 17 councils are mature. And we have mature tangata tiriti that are educated and progressive. Unfortunately, 25 councils of our motu have shown us where the divisiveness still lies really deep. And that's sad for a progressive, supposed to be a progressive Aotearoa.
Well, let's acknowledge what's actually happened here, losing Māori wards through votes. So I need to get the community to recognise what that looks like, and what that looks like for 2026. I'll do it in numbers. There's 9 councillors, there's 1 mayor, so that's 10. CEO, that's 11, and then we've got 4 that's on the community board, so that's 15 all up. Community needs to be aware that out of that 15 there's only 2 Māori. Removing Māori wards, what's that going to look like 3 years after that?
For me, it's continuing the good work that we do as partners, because as partners we make magic. We are progressive, we are not regressive, and we are here for everybody. Whatever is good for us is good for everybody. Koina tira.
Well, see, losing Māori wards now, it's a whole new drive, which is quite annoying, because I wanted to focus on those 3 issues and then the core businesses of being a councillor, but now we have to concentrate on how we build something so that when those 3 years come, it's not completely, excuse the pun, a whitewash. There's Māori in there, so now we have to think of strategies to make sure that the community votes for us. So yeah, that included, but also definitely those other 3 for me.
Ahakoa ngā āmaimai o ngā kaunihera wahine Māori o ngā wāri Māori nei, i hika kāna raua ki te whakatutuki i ngā mahi kia whai reo ngā iwi Māori ki e nei kaunihera, ka mutu mo te toru tau e haere aki nei. Macie Kuki, Aukaha.
Ko te reo, te take.